One beautiful day inside the toilet. That was great shit I just did there. I'm gonna get some root beer. Hey, old mate.
Oi,
I
Muppet,
will.
you didn't brush your hands, Muppet. Come here,
Did I?
Muppet. Come here,
I will
Muppet.
do it in
You can't be doing that
the
round
girls'
here,
toilet.
Muppet.
That I
Come
can
here,
lots
bro.
of. Ah!
Come
Oh,
here,
wait.
bro. Can't be doing that
Ah!
round here. Oi, I think I need a bit of a drink today. We'll hit the spot.
Hello! Welcome back to the bar and doll. Today we can offer you apple juice and piss from our new highly made. Oh shit! A new highly made cook myself.
I'd
What
like
do you
apple
want?
juice. Apple juice would be good,
Okay,
bro.
hold on. Wait, hold up for a second. There you go. Um, yeah, wait, just hold a second. Ah, okay. There you go. Hold, wait, here you go.
Oh,
Oh, oh
jeez.
shit.
It's just what I ordered. Thanks, bro. I'm gonna go sit down and drink this apple juice.
There,
Hey, bro, where are you, bro?
hello. What you want? What? Like, I got
Okay.
apple juice and some mayo J's from my Hello New refrigerator made out of wood. What do you want?
I'd like male gaze, I think.
Okay, let me just
Yeah.
ask my partner Bob. Hold up. Hello, I'm the partner Bob.
Oh,
I can I
I'd like
can
the male
you want?
gaze.
Yeah, okay. Hold up. Okay. It'll take a second. Just wait. Hold up. Wait, hold up. There you go, sir. Oopsie. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hey, want a plate for free. There you go. Get along, mate. What's your poison?
Bro, I like some beer.
Okay, hold up. Oh, okay, wait, oh, there you go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh,
I
no.
like my beer. Ah! I like a beer.
Oh, okay. What kind of?
I can't hear you. Speak up, chap.
What kind of?
Oi, bruv, I cannot hear you. Speak louder.
Okay, wait. What do you want?
I'd like a beer.
What kind of?
I like beery beer.
What the fuck? Hello, welcome back to my new highly decorated store. What you want?
Well, I'm kind of sad right now, and
Oh, I got the perfect poison for you, mate. This whole there you go. That always cheered me up. Just a little bit of poison, and it won't. It will only hurt a little bit. Oh!
oh,
Hello. What? You want fish and cooked?
give me everything.
You don't want the fish? Okay,
No,
okay. Well, okay. What do you want with
all
everything? How much?
everything, all the money, all the food.
Okay, wait. Here you go. Um, get back here! Yeah!
Successful robbery. I think I want some. I want some yellow berry oil white vinegar.
Okay, sorry, we don't have an ice machine in stock.
That's rubbish.
Ah! I good. What are you not good? Walking. Content fish battle. Yes! All this mess. Okay. Oh yeah.
Oi,
Here's this
Muppet!
little bit of
Hey,
this
you're around
and
destroying more stuff.
get good.
Oi, Muppet!
Oi.
Come here, Muppet! Oi,
I'm
Muppet!
such clean
Come here,
stuff.
Muppet! Come here, Muppet! Come here, Muppet! Muppet, come here! Muppet!
Okay,
Come here, Muppet!
what you didn't expect, I could wall run.
Yeah, okay, somehow you killed me. I look the opposite goddamn direction, bro.